to our channel.
Happy? What's the day today?
I don't know.
You know.
No.
You know Friday. Friday. That's right. So, maaga pa siya, guys. Ihahatid ko to siya sa paaralan. Tagalogin natin kasi today, mukhang hindi siya masyadong ganado na pumunta sa kanyang paaralan. So, inaano ko lang siya. Parang inaalaw-aliw. Kasi mama, I love you so much.
I want to call again.
Huh?
I want to call too much.
Ayun, too much. Well, siya tita dito. Kasi si mamang postman ay mag-deliver kanina ng umaga, guys. Ayan. Dalawa to siya. So, i-unbox natin before kami umalis. So, this is for mommy. Kasi, hindi nyo pa alam, guys, birthday ni mommy nyo ngayong Sunday. So, mommy has been purchasing stuff online para sa sarili niya. So, dumating siya today, which is really good kasi Friday, diba? Just in time for my birthday. So, i-open na natin siya, anak. Can you help mama?
Yeah.
Okay. So, napaaga ang birthday na niya Friday. Kahit Sunday pa sana. Anyways, every day should be birthday. Ano? Dapat mag-celebrate ka sa buhay mo. So, here's the first one. Get that out, Lola. Okay, so, this is from... So, I bought this off Vestiaire Collective, guys. So, this is from Blackburn South in Melbourne, in Victoria. We'll see what's inside. Palangga.
Yeah.
What's the color of the box?
Black.
It's brown.
Wow.
Okay. Linny's going to pull it. Oh! Ting tininin.
What is this?
So, it's Louis Vuitton box. Oh, wow. Original packaging pa talaga to siya, guys, kasi may pa-booklet pa siya, oh. Ito yung original na booklet ng Louis Vuitton. Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Oh, for me. Look at that. This is the Louis Vuitton Sarah wallet.
Mom, do you really want that?
Yes, I really love it.
Do you want the first so much?
Yes, Baba. This is the older version kasi straight yung dito niya. Meron ako nung newer version niya, na parang envelope na style. Ganyan siya. Ang ganda ng kanyang paloob, guys. Meron ako dyan. Yun yung pinaka-first na Louis Vuitton brand new. Binili ko from the shop kasi nireward ko sa sarili ko nung natanggap ako sa work. So, binili ko yun. Oh, lovely. Kaya lang, yung akin, pinalagyan ko ng pangalan ko dito. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And, nung nag-move kami, nabasa siya. Kaya medyo nag-bulky siya. See, ito, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung difference. Ayan siya.
Mom, I want to check the other one.
Super nice. Lovely.
Mom, check the other one. Check the other one box.
Multicolor is my favorite line ng Louis Vuitton, guys. Like the cashmere
Mom,
honey.
check out the other one.
Oh, this one, here's the other one. Sobrang love ko talaga. And I heard na yung multicolor line will come back sometime next year or early next year. So, for sure, magmamahal na naman tong mga print na to. Anak, that's the same one, anak. See? Yeah. There's nothing inside. Open the small one.
Ooh.
So, nakita ko to siya and very, tawag dito, hindi naman siya kamahalan, guys.
Mom, what's there something
Maganda
inside?
yung price na nabili ko ito. So, ayan, may dust bag pa siya. Full talaga siya. And this one here.
I'm going to open that.
Oh, while Celine is opening this one, I'm going to get the other one, my old one. Are you going?
Where?
So, this is my old one, guys. Ayan, multicolor. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Envelope style. So, this time siya pangalan na wallet. It's the Sarah wallet. And, ayan, pinalagyan ko ng pangalan ko. Kasi nga, diba, first, parang nabili ko sa sarili ko na brand new talaga sa shop. So, personalized ko. Ayan. So, the same siya sa loob. Kaya ito yung sinasabi ko, medyo na, siya, kasi nabasa ba. O, hindi naman siya.
Oh, what's inside here? Help me do this, Mama.
Okay, hang on. Ayan. O, diba? Meron na ako dalawa. Ayan. Ito pala, itong newer version, meron siyang pocket sa likuran. But this one doesn't have that. Ayan. But, yung sa kanya, kahit yung sa akin na newer version, medyo mas gamit yung sa akin kumpara dito. Tingnan niyo yung kulay. Diba? Very, to siya, vibrant patong dito sa kabila. Which I like. Beautiful. I love this one. Then, anak yun, anak yan. This one is very cute as well. Okay. Anak, maybe mama will cut it like this, okay? Yeah. Look, grabing kagahit man na yan, Ay, bangagan na ito. Oh, what is it? Show tita. Wow! It's another Louis Vuitton, but this one is the coin purse. And this one is in a white background. So, ito siya black. Ito siya white. But the same line lang to siya na multicolor. Lovely. Meron na rin akong ganito, guys, na black. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Do you like it, Ling? One day, mapapasa inyo din to, anak. Inside, ayan. Oh, you can see, gamit na talaga siya, guys. And this one, medyo lower yung price na pagkabili ko nito. Kasi I think yung dito niya, yung kanyang dito, ay naiwala na. Kasi yung sa akin, meron siyang yung clasp. But, canvas, very nice. It's very cute.
I need to show me. I'm show you.
Maganda pa siya. This is what I am talking about. Itong ganito niya ang naiwala.
Do I look nice?
You do look beautiful, sweetheart. Mahilig talaga ako sa multicolor, guys. One day, papakita ko yung yung collection ko ng mga Louis Vuitton na multicolor. Ay, shush. Ihatid ko na to siya sa paaralan, guys. And magkikita kami ni Daddy Mike doon kasi Daddy Mike went to get his haircut. At si mami niyo ay alam niyo ba ang gagawin natin today? Si Daddy Mike. Kasi na-mention ko before na, 'di ba? Before yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko nagawa kasi nga I was breastfeeding. So ito first na ginawa ko, and then the second thing na gagawin natin ngayon, guys, is tattoo. So magpapatattoo si mami niyo, guys, today. Actually, I'll see kung may place kaming mahanap na bet ko and they can do the the tattoo na gusto ko. But surprise na lang sa inyo mamaya, guys, kung makapagpapatato tayo. Surprise ko na lang kung ano yung paggawa natin. Excited! I'm slowly, doing the things na parang na-deprive. Na-deprive ako for years because of, motherhood. Padede from 6 years, padede. Grabe, Lord. I'm very blessed. Kasi may milk. Show the robot! Huh?
It moves.
It moves. Good girl, Baba. Push another one. Push another one. Don't hold on the head. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Vuitton, guys. We're going to check out the tattoo place. Malapit na to sa amin, oy. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, doesn't mean na malapit ay dito tayo pupunta. Kasi first time ko magpatato for, I don't know, 6, 7 years. Or 8 years. Yeah, you reckon about? This will be my first time. After
You got
8
this in
years.
South Melbourne. You got that one living in South Melbourne.
This one?
Yeah. You got it when we lit it from
This is the place. I'm so cultured.
You got it from
Follow us on Instagram.
what is it called? South Melbourne.
Ay. Welcome to. Alright, let's go. Walk-ins welcome.
Walk-ins welcome. Hello. Yeah, good idea. Okay, so walk-ins are welcome.
And the ones that are in are already booked in. Like,
None of them?
we're fully booked.
That's all good.
That's all good.
No worries at all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
It's very nice. Yeah, lovely. They have a very good setup.
What's that, buddy?
Very good. I like this.
Let's have a look. Like this one in the leather too.
Oh, fully booked.
That's right. Let's have a look at the window.
Fully booked kasi hindi kami nag-book. Sabi namin walk-in lang. Kasi hindi man ito pinano. Normally, okay yung walk-in dito. Kaya lang daw yung ibang mga artist ay naka-holiday. Tapos yung mga nandito ay fully booked. So, meron namang isang malapit dito. Alam niyo ba, nandito kami sa city ni Daddy Mike ngayon. Kasi we went to check the second place for the tattoo and they couldn't do it. So, nag-book na lang kami for Sunday. But for now, since nandito kami malapit sa city, guys, at gustong-gusto ni Daddy Mike na check out ito kasi, well, hindi pa siya tapos. Pero it's nearly, finish yung casino dito sa Brisbane, guys. So, we'll see kung ano yung makita natin doon. So, maganda yung, nakita ko sa mga photos, sa mga ganyan na na-post sa social media. Maganda siya, so.
This is the old casino they shut down.
Is that one?
Yeah.
Queen Street. That way?
So we just cross
So how about later? So when we go down here, we come here to go to the parking?
Oh, we'll just go down there. Yeah.
Kasi, we went, Daddy, that's where we came in, to park. Yeah. So, nasa ilalim nito kami nag-park. We're very, Daddy, I feel like we're tourists.
Huh?
I feel like we're tourists.
We're not tourists. We are.
Go this way?
Yeah. We are a couple. We're a couple on a date.
Bongga, ba't sinanay yung si tatay?
Come here. What's gonna happen? I'm kidding. Come.
Thank you so much. Perfect. Another one.
That's all right. We'll keep the video.
Got to move a bit while you're kissing too, haven't you?
Sure, yeah, that's right.
There you go.
Oh, it's
Here we go. So we're here. Bongga naman ito eh. Hindi pa kami nakapunta dito, guys. Sobrang lapit lang namin.
I don't know what you said about before.
Huh?
You said I can't believe Brisbane has something like this. You're an idiot.
It's the 23rd floor. Can you see the river?
Let's get to the toilet.
Okay. I'll stay here. You can see the south bank there also. Ano mga nagbaha ang sapa? It's Brisbane River. Yeah, it's been raining actually guys, kaya ganyan yung kulay ng tubig. Oh, mapagkain. Picture pa more. Grabe, it's so bright guys. Dinala ko sana yung aking sunglasses dito eh. Diyos ko. Nag-order lang si Daddy Mike ng maiinom. Oh my God.
So I can get coffee at Beverage. Like, now we can wait for the meat. You know what this reminds you of? Asia. Like Hong Kong.
Reminded me of like when we went to Malaysia.
KL? Yeah. Asia, it's like it. Tropical city. Look like tropical beauty. I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about you. But I thought it does look like an island boy. How much? Huh?
Very much.
Very much?
Thank you. Advance? Good. Why, is it just me? My eyes is so bright.
No, Mum, it's glary.
Get ready. What's this, love? Lemon lime?
You got one?
Beep beep.
We're having lunch now, so we're gonna go to this Korean restaurant here in Maru. This is our favorite. Thank you so much. Awesome. Thank you. There we have it. But for some reason, like this reminds me of like what do you call it? Electric chair.
Huh?
Electric chair. All right. We know already what to get. Huh?
Got one?
Now this.
Yeah.
Does that come with rice, Daddy?
Yeah, but you can get that rush because you'll end up getting one anyway. So it's me order over here.
I got my soup, beef rib soup. Kasi I think that it's very spicy namin. And look, we have 2 rice each. We have this kimchi. I don't know what's this one. This one is coleslaw.
Ah?
Coleslaw. Let's eat. Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch, guys. Are you full, Daddy?
So full of love.
We're heading to...
That's your same one.
Oh, yeah. That was a long sleeve shirt. Tingin-tingin kami dito sa city before kami umuwi. May time pa naman kami. The police just like casually riding a bike. Punta kami sa Louis Vuitton, guys. Kasi kung nandun ang ating friendship. There she is. That's Amy. Oh, she's like that. What are you guys doing? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, of course.
Just looking around. Oh, display only. Oh my god, hindi ko bet yan. I want this one, Daniel.
Which one?
Okay, try.
Which one?
But it's not very practical, you know? Kasi
Which one
you
do you
able to. This one. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Ah,
This one is so nice. Oh my god, normal lang naman to na ano, B? Tingnan natin ang presyo, B. Malula tayo sa presyo nito. Presyo. $5,050. Dali. $5,000. Guys, my god. Ito lang. Ito lang. Yung denim dress na to. Ito. Sus, makita mo to sa kuan, oh. Markado. Oh my goodness. Tignan natin ang basic na shirt, be. Presyo. Ito ba yung magkano to? Ah, they scratched the price now. Look at this. Yeah, I don't like actually.
Huh?
Not something that I would, you know, wear even if I have like freaking money.
But then you gotta eat it.
Good job.
I've seen it on a video.
It's like whole apple as well.
It is.
Mummy.
I like that there's a little bow on it. It's like a race.
Yes, it does look like ours.
How much cash from now?
It's jujitsu time. Andito kami sa Sushi Edo. Yung friend natin Paris, guys, actually, yung anak nung pinuntahan namin kanina sa Louis Vuitton ay nagsabi na dito gusto nilang mag-dinner dito kasama sa Paris. So, ayan, nandito kami. Yeah, what's it here? Daddy, we're gonna see, like, I think we'll take all the kids here for.
And then sit here.
Huh?
I want to sit here.
Yeah, so I mean Paris and Celine moved here.
I should have some mercy and
Hi Mom, how are you? What was that? How are you again?
Sorry, Tom.
Nada. sabay.
Sabay ni Mai?
Sabay di Mai? What's the sabay di Mai?
Huh?
What's the sabay di Mai?
I already did her. Now it's her. Can I do it?
What did you order, Irene?
Avocado.
Avocado. Wow.
You order already?
Yeah, she did. That's why I said like, oh, she knows what to do.
I've been here a lot.
Wow.
Not a lot. Say every week.
Ah, you have that one? Is that what you eat? Oh, good job.
I come here every week. Mom, this is my chicken.
Wow, so good.
Mom, it's chicken.
Once a week.
Papa,
Pop again?
Oh, she wants to put.
Thank you, Anya.
Oh, that's nice, Richard.
what? English.
Who did this? Who ordered this?
Oh, wow.
Who ordered this?
Japanese.
You?
That's no.
Japanese.
Irene? Irene?
No. Anya.
Ah, Anya did. Yeah.
Wait.
อัญญา สั่งมากินให้หมด
I tried hers. I tried one before.
Lini ka na. Ate, soy sauce please, te.
We tried another.
Which one?
Thank you.
Oh.
Sa.
Can you buy it and try me?
Here I'm selling.